Drop it.
ShoppExp. You are watching ShoppExp, and in this video we gonna show you top 5 best wallets for women in 2020 on the basis of their reviews and ratings, best quality and best selling product on Amazon.
Number 5.
SendEFN Women's Wallets. For the modern woman, it is essential to have a wallet that helps you keep your items secure while still adding to that sense of style in you. It is, however, right to say that not so many women products are made with this in mind, and even those available, most fall short of expectation. At SendEFN, we intend to change this narrative. The wallet is 100% genuine leather and thus will serve you for long. SendEFN comes in an array of gorgeous colors to choose from depending on your taste. Crafted from pure genuine leather, you are getting a durable wallet. More so, you can regularly polish it with appropriate leather cleaners to bring out a shine and a brand new look even after long-time usage. Also, it has a beautiful and smooth finish, which will blend with your style. There are several slots to slide in your cards and 2 card windows. The 2 side compartments well secure your phone and cash under one zipper. The wallet has a compact design that eases the way you organize all your valuables. The contrasting stitches highlight its sophistication, while its snap button boosts both its style and charm. This option also comes with a detachable wristlet for holding the wallet, thereby allowing you to use your hands without dropping it freely.
Check the link in the description. Number 4.
WOZEE Women's Wallet. High-quality hardware, zip-around closure, easy access. High-quality zipper, very smooth. Great product. In order to provide our customers a great product, we insist on using top-quality hardwares and leather material. All these wonderful details give this wallet longer service life and amazing touching feeling. Sturdy stitching, delicate design and neatly stitched to ensure its longevity. Superb uniform sutures, even in the corner of the junction is still smooth and beautiful, fine workmanship and well made. This wallet uses the best PU leather, which is more luxurious and durable than the average leather wallet. Top grain PU leather with wax finish, feels luxury and comfortable. In addition, we also designed a unique pattern of cloth with leather design, so that our wallet more characteristics, to meet the needs of different people on different occasions. This wallet can serve as a passport holder cover case and an iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 10 holder wallet and a checkbook holder, which makes it a perfect gift idea for birthday, anniversary, Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine and any other important date when a gift is needed.
Check the link in the description. Number 3.
Tuffergun Wallet for Women. Bi-fold closure. Compact size, fit in your pocket or handbag perfectly. Luxury genuine leather, waxed leather, the perfect leather type for women's wallet, is used for this small bifold. It looks gorgeous and feels luxury. The longer you use it, the better it will look and feel. RFID blocking. Equipped with advanced RFID secure technology, this Tuffergun women's wallet can protect you from electronic pickpocketing by blocking unauthorized scans from RFID scanners and readers. Functional design, with 6 card slots, 1 cash slot, 1 zipper coin pocket and 1 ID window, this small wallet can meet all your demand for a daily small wallet. Gift idea. Packed in a nice bag with tissue paper, this Tuffergun slim wallet makes great gift idea for the ones you love.
Check the link in the description. Number 2.
Travelombo Wallet for Women. Large capacity. Your checkbook, receipts, ID, cards, mobile and cash can be well organized in this powerful wallet. Completely meet your daily demands. RFID blocking and 2 buttons adjustment. 1. Travelombo multi-card case wallet comes with RFID blocking feature, which can keep your ID information and credit cards away from scanned and thefting. 2. 2 buttons design makes this wallet fit in more situations. Users can use the inner button while holding a few things. Wonderful details. In order to provide our customers a great product, we insist on using top quality hardwares and leather material. All these wonderful details give this wallet a longer service life. Fashion design and multi-colors. This wallet is very practical and in a timeless design, which can simultaneously satisfy your fashion or practicability requirements. 24 colors for choices, one of them must fit in your style. Excellent craftwork, 100% handmade wallet. We have neither big factory nor big machinery, all we have are a team of 15 experienced craftsmen who with more than 10 years experience in handmade wallet industry.
Check the link in the description. Number 1.
Vera Bradley Women Wallet. Performance. Keep your valuables close wherever the day takes you with the Zip ID case. Features. A front ID window, key ring and zip closure make the Zip ID case a secure place for your ID, cards and cash. Interior. The interior compartment offers an ideal location for cash or cards while you are on the go. Options. Find the Zip ID case in seasonal patterns, colors, and fabrication from Vera Bradley. Imported. Fabric lining. Zipper closure. Stylish, lightweight and sized right. The iconic Zip ID case measures 3 inches high and 5 inches wide with a key ring. Just add your keys, tuck away your ID, and you're ready to travel lightly. Easy organization. Carry only the essentials with the fully printed polyester interior compartment and a front ID window, always ready to show, perfect to grab on the go for quick errands or throw in your bag for separate organization. A gift for her. Celebrate that special someone in your life with the iconic Zip ID case, the ideal gift for the chic and sophisticated woman who deserves nothing but the best and brightest, sure to turn heads. Style as bold as you. Stand out with our contemporary silhouettes and elegant leathers that elevate any look, perfect for the chic businesswoman, the stylish student, the bold trendsetter, or the jet-setting diva.
Check the link in the description.